Hello. In this example, we're going to graph f of x equals 4x minus 2 all over x plus 1. The first thing we want to do is we want to find any vertical asymptotes, which means the denominator must equal 0 for that. Subtract 1 means x equals negative 1. That means that we can find our domain, that's negative infinity until this number, negative 1, then union negative 1 to infinity. The next thing we need is the horizontal asymptote. Now, a horizontal asymptote looks at the degrees of the numerator and denominator. The degrees are both 1, so 1 equals 1. Therefore, the horizontal asymptote exists. And because it exists, it's the ratio of the leading coefficient because they're both the same degree. So that's 4 divided by 1. And simplified, that means that y equals 4. We need to find x-intercepts as well. And to do that, we set the numerator, in this case 4x minus 2, equal to 0. Add 2 divided by 4, so x is positive a half. So the x-intercept is a coordinate 1/2, 0. Now for the y-intercept, let me actually... There we go. That's better. For the y-intercept, it's 0, comma, a number. And that number is always, well, simplified here. Plug in 0, we get negative 2 divided by 1, and that gives us negative 2. Fantastic. Now, we need to ask the question, does it cross, in this case, y equals 4? That's the question that we have to ask. So we're going to set the function, the 4x minus 2 all over x plus 1 equal to 4. Multiplied by x plus 1 means that 4x minus 2 is equal to 4x plus 4. And notice that the 4x's are going to cancel each other here. That leaves you with negative 2 equals 4. And ask yourself, does negative 2 equal 4? The answer is no. So because it doesn't equal 4, well, negative 2 doesn't equal 4, that means it doesn't cross the line y equals 4. Therefore, the horizontal asymptote can be thought of now as a brick wall. So for the vertical asymptote, we're going to graph x equals negative 1. So there's our our vertical asymptote. Then we're going to graph the horizontal asymptote, y equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. Fantastic. And there is y equals 4. Good. The x-intercept is 1/2, 0. So that's that point right there. And the y-intercept is 0, negative 2. Right there. And because of this, the function is going to look something like this. Notice that we go down towards this vertical asymptote, but also notice that because the multiplicity here was 1, it flips to the other side and looks like this. And we're going to go down again towards the horizontal asymptote. We won't cross it, but we get close to it. Alrighty, well, I believe that's it for this graph. Have fun. I'll see you in the next video.